Hi there, welcome to our program, The Leader. And today I want us to go through 6 powerful ways in which leaders can build a highly motivated team. I'm Eric Nyanumba. The first thing you need to do as a leader is trust your team to do their work. And in this case, I mean avoid micromanaging your team, because when you give your team some work to do, trust them that they will deliver the work. Avoid micromanaging them for the sake of good performance. Number two, set clear expectation and give them space to excel. Some leaders, what we do, we don't set clear expectation, and therefore it means that you keep following your team to ensure that they deliver. Number three, do not criticize people publicly. Sometimes, as leaders, sometimes you find yourself in a position where you criticize your team or your members publicly, and this is not good. So when you want to give feedback, always do so privately. And if it's about acknowledging one's performance, this one you can do it publicly, because it enhances or it builds a positive attitude and also encourages a culture of positive thinking. Number four, encourage free and effective communication. Communication is very, very important in an organization. Always address conflicts as early as possible, so that you can avoid a situation where those conflicts escalate in the future. Always focus on solutions and avoid blaming. Number five, always let your team know why you made certain decisions. So when you make certain decisions, it's always important to ensure that you let your team know why you made certain decisions. And number six, always set realistic expectation or goals, and this enables you to set the objectives that you can be able to achieve. Thank you so much, and subscribe to our channel so that you can be able to get more on leadership. Thank you.